Good morning, everybody. It is October 24th, Grand Rapids, Michigan. I am at a Cummins dealer, and I'm at the Cummins dealer because I have the Wolf Creek truck camper, and it has a Cummins generator on it, the 2500i, the very quiet one. We have loved it. Had no issues until one of our last trips that decided it didn't want to start up. So anyways, it's still under warranty. And we bought the camper in Grand Rapids, Michigan at Camper World, but they don't work on them. So there happens to be a Cummins own generator dealer just down the road. They mainly work on big stuff, but they will honor and work on your generators, RVs. You can see a motorhome behind me. I'm assuming they're having something done. But anyways, under warranty, and it happened to be a crank sensor. So they had to pull it out last time I was down here, and then order the part, and they're putting it in today. And then while I'm down this way, I'm gonna on my way back put it in storage for the year. So anyways, we've loved the Wolf Creek camper, had no issues. Hopefully this is a fix that takes care of it. I try to run the generator at least once a month for 15 minutes, a half an hour, something like that, to run it. This place is on 131 Grand Rapids on the 80th exit marker. They seem to be, they got me right in 7 in the morning. They did that both times, so it's pretty handy. I like to start the day off early. And anyways, they work on a lot of equipment here. This is just some of the parking lot, so they work on all kinds of things. Once it's done, I'll try to fire it up, and I'll try to give you any information that they tell me on the repairs, what it shows on the receipts and stuff like that at the end of this video. All right, the generator is installed, and we're up and running. They said here to run them 1 hour a month under load. I've been running it pretty much at least a half an hour minimum. During the summer, easily over an hour running the air conditioning and different things like that. But anyways, they said over a hour a month. But as you can tell, like I'm in the camper now, you can't even hardly hear it. So it is really quiet. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down, and I'm gonna go ahead and park this camper, get it in storage. All right, I got the camper in storage. I found this place on the marketplace, and the guy's a veteran, young family. So the last couple years, $100 a month indoor storage. So I don't think that's too bad for our area. So anyways, the Wolf Creek truck camper got repaired, the 2500i generator, which we have really liked because it is quiet, and it's worked pretty well for us. It's very handy having an onboard generator and not hauling extra gas and stuff like that for what we use. It's been great. So thanks a lot for watching. Click subscribe, hit like, share with your friends. As a lot of you know, we haven't been putting out the videos that we have before. We'll try to kind of keep kicking them out as we can. So create your own story today. We hope everybody is enjoying your fall weather. It is November 5th. Yes, I started putting this together October 14th. So November 5th. It should be the rut here for hunting, but it's been like 70 degrees, very uncommon and warm weather for our region. And I'm hoping to get out hunting tomorrow morning. It's supposed to do a little bit of hunting before church. And anyways, we'll see how it goes. And Autumn and I will kick out videos when we can. We hope all you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.